Siap atau nggak siap, kita harus melakukan perubahan dan menyiapkan perubahan jikalau dunia ini memang membutuhkan perubahan.
Livestock sector is the one of the main sectors for most of ASEAN countries, so is for Indonesia. More than 15% of Indonesian people's livelihood as farmers. Sadly, millions of farmers are facing serious challenges. Difficulty managing livestock and managing livestock need makes it difficult for farmers. As the result, many livestock are not managed properly and farmers do not get assistance from the expert, and livestock's prosperity is far from achieved. Ngarit ID helps manage digital farms that focus on empowering farmers through the application of a digital livestock data collection system and farmer assistance. We collaborate with people who are professional in the field of technology and animal husbandry to improve the quality of the livestock system in Indonesia. We strive to be able to help empower Indonesian farmers and have an impact on the welfare of Indonesian farmers, as well as education about modern livestock management integrated with the concept of fair profit sharing and concept of Sharia between farmers, partners, and investors. Ngarit ID services provide various features such as livestock management, partnership management, and investment management that can be helpful for livestock, partner, and investor about livestock data collection, financial management, livestock planning, daily livestock updates, and other features which will produce data bookkeeping according to user needs. Ngarit ID has a social orientation and focuses on helping Indonesian livestock based on IoT, which can be analyzed later and researched for the progress of livestock. The transaction security system is also guaranteed because there is an MOU contact between the two parties. Investors can also choose in the future livestock animals will be made as a kurban or invested and can help the economy of the lower middle class during the pandemic. So, set the target and measure the performance of livestock management with an integrated system with Ngarit ID. Raising livestock become easier and more modern with the Ngarit ID. Raising 10 livestock, it easy with Ngarit. Raising 100 livestock, it easy with Ngarit. Ngarit, creating green ecosystem of farm management.